Hey there guys, in this video I will be teaching you how to find daily bias using ICT Trading Strategy. So this will be a summary of ICT teachings, and I assure you if you watch this whole video you will have no confusion regarding your daily bias. So make sure you watch the whole video and make sure to like and subscribe this channel. So I am using Bitcoin chart here, and this strategy can be applied on anything like forex or any other coin, and I am using the 4-hour chart. So we will use two things in this strategy. One thing is market structure break and the other one is fair value gap. I have already made videos about market structure break and fair value gaps, but for your information I will just quickly remind you that fair value gap is the gap between these candles. So you can see it at different places on your chart. So these are the fair value gaps, okay? And let me remove this first. And the market structure break is this big candle which breaks the structure to the upside or to the downside, like this one, and here which breaks the support or resistance, this one. These big candles, I have made a video about it, detailed video, you can watch that if you don't. But these are the market structure breaks. Okay, so let's go towards our strategy now. Let me remove this. Okay, so you open your 4-hour chart and you see market structure breaks on your chart. See, the market structure was broken by this candle down. Okay, so here the market structure got broken. Now the moment you see the market structure break to the downside, you will target the lows or any fair value gap to the downside. Now there is no fair value gap, so you should target these lows, okay? And it touched those and took the liquidity. Now the moment market structure breaks to the upside, you should target the fair value gap above or the highs. As the market structure was broken to the downside at this place, so that should be your target. It went up to that point but didn't close above this market structure break candle. It is necessary that it should close to the upside. It didn't close to the upside, so it went back towards the fair value gap or downside. Now it went up and this time it closed above. So here at this point your daily bias should be towards the upside, as the old market structure break candle has broken here. Okay, so it went up to this point. Now a big red candle came and market structure was broken to the downside. Now your support is that old candle. Okay, it came down to this one. Here it didn't close below that candle and got the support, so it pumped, and that should be your target, that market structure break candle. When it breaks above this candle and closes above, then your daily bias should be bullish. But here it got rejected here, so your daily bias should be towards the downside. You should target these lows or this fair value gap. So it came back to this fair value gap, it pumped, and here it closes above that market structure break candle. So again your daily bias is bullish now. Okay, it went up to these highs, see these equal highs, and then it took some liquidity. Now it came back to that old place where the market structure was broken, got some support, pumped a little bit, but here the market structure was broken and it closed to the downside. So here you should target the lows. These lows were taken. Now here is the fair value gap. Fair value gap also has been tested. Now these are the lows. Okay, now these are the lows, and you should short every pump that you get. Like if it pumps to this place, you shall short here towards the downside. So your daily bias should remain to the downside as long as it closes above these candles. So I have tried my best to explain this to you, but still if you have any questions you can ask me in the comments. Thanks.